It's a beautiful Sunday morning here in the Bay Area. A touch of clouds and a hint of a cool breezy wind. I thought that today would be the ideal day for a beach day. Struggling to get my lazy ass up at 9:45 in the morning, I went on with my regularly scheduled morning routine. I went ahead and checked my breath to see if it was the bare minimum of what I needed, but most importantly, I had to check the sideburns. The sideburns had to pass the vibe check with a perfectly crafted rectangle shape with a little bit of a hint of a fluff off the top. As I was doing my morning routine, I thought to myself, what's a beach day without the guys? My first guest today is Nolan. Nolan, widely known for his love for iFunny memes and his fandom for Adam Sandler. Nolan brings more to the table on this trip than anyone else. And last, but definitely not least, we have Jordan. Jordan, known for his extreme VR gaming and his t-shirts that say, "I paused my game to be here." He brings an energy that is absolutely unmatchable. This is Project Santa Cruz. What do you have?
Awesome, dude.
Pocket knife? Whoa. Oh! Joy!
Jordan, it's Santa Cruz Day.
Yeah,
It's time for Santa Cruz.
yeah.
What time is it?
Santa Cruz time.
Damn right.
Which ones?
These glasses.
Those are sweet. Heartthrob. So hot. Yours are.
Titanium.
I don't like yours.
My glasses? You want my glasses?
No, I don't like yours.
They look cheap.
I don't like yours.
Purple.
No, they're cheap.
They're $150.
200.
Okay, and I like purple vision.
Titanium, dude.
I thought you liked purple.
Titanium. Oh, I would have gotten the purple version if it wasn't for the fact that they stopped selling them because they were on limited time. Also, titanium frame.
Cool, I got plastic frame.
What'd you say? Hold on, wait. Do it again, but let's stand over here.
Hey, Ethan, guess what? It's your mom. Creeper. Aw, man.
Jesus Christ.
Here, and that's all I would get. $40 for a tank top.
But you're Nolan Bab.
I'm broke.
What the?
You step, bro.
Our names? Is there like ones with names on it?
You know what your mom did? My mom?
How much for the chest?
Oh, no, it's not.
I think the chest is display.
Definitely
That was a
joking.
joke.
See, this guy got it. Fucking moron. Please don't hurt me.
It's lunch, so technically, yeah, we should. It's 12. It's 12:30. You want to get lunch right now? Lunch now? Lunch. Lunch. Lunch.
Lunch.
Lunch.
Lunch.
Lunch.
Lunch.
Lunch. Lunch. Lunch. Okay.
It's fucking windy.
What are you allergic to?
the biting agent.
That makes sense.
Oh, let me see it. Let me see it. Let me hold it real quick. I just want to do something. How's the clam chowder? Clam
Amazing.
powder, clam cham.
Amazing.
How's the flam dowder? Chowder. I barely know her.
One way.
Alright guys, so... Wait guys, wait. So guys, wait, no, stop. What are we doing, guys? We're gonna get some cool, what are we doing? We're gonna get some edgy underwater shots. Hopefully we can catch a seal, fish, a shark, a whale.
That'd be cool.
Would it be cool if we saw a whale underwater?
You talking about me, brother?
It's been a while, Nolan, since we checked back in.
Oh yeah, what's up?
I don't know, you tell me. How's everything going? How was the day?
It's pretty good, pretty good. So someone throw up. You know, that's a first.
Yeah. All over you too. Are you holding that? That shouldn't be allowed.
Jordan,
It's like polar opposites right here. Let me get a bite.
Oh.
Yeah, let me get a shot of you biting this. Hold on, slow bite, slow bite, slow bite. No, slower. 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 Bigger.
good?
It's really hard to tear.
You're a wild fucking beast.
Excuse you.
Nolan.
Nolan, you don't fucking do that!
Look away for 2 seconds. And Nolan has already devoured that thing. How is it?
Fucking amazing.
The man,
This is my favorite pleasure food right here.
the man has spoken.
Is it film in here?
How many in here?
That's unopened.
Yeah, that's how they get you. Whose chips are these?
Oh, mother.
Enjoy.
It was a really fun trip.
Had some good food. We had some good pukage. We had some good back pain from... Oh, Nolan couldn't fit in one of the rides. He was too chubby for one of the rides. They needed 2 people to push the seat belt thing down.
I'm not fat.
Got hurt a couple times.
Jordan did. But the chicken bone, the turkey bone, the meat bone, the large stick of meat, Jordan's meat really helped the situation overall. So I think that's good for a day. Let's get home.